The human body, a life journey. The human body, a universe of cells, tissues, and organs, all working together in perfect harmony. It breathes without being told, heals without being asked, and thinks in ways we still do not fully understand. From the beating of your heart to the firing of your neurons, your body performs millions of actions every second. But what exactly is happening inside you right now? How do your systems work? What makes you move, think, grow, and survive? Today, we'll travel through the human body, exploring the organs, systems, and mysteries that keep you alive. Part 1. The building blocks, cells and tissues. Let's begin at the smallest level, the cell. The human body contains around 37 trillion cells. Each cell is like a tiny factory, taking in nutrients, creating energy, and performing specialized tasks. There are many types of cells. A muscle cells that contract, a nerve cells that send signals, a blood cells that carry oxygen, a skin cells that protect the body. Groups of similar cells form tissues, such as a muscle tissue, nervous tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue. Together, tissues form organs and organs form systems. Everything is connected like parts of a grand machine. Part 2. The brain and nervous system. Now, let's move to the control center, the nervous system. At the top of this system sits the brain, a 3-pound organ that contains billions of neurons. These neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals. The nervous system has 2 main parts. 1. Central nervous system, the brain, the spinal cord. This system makes decisions. 2. Peripheral nervous system, all nerves outside the CNS. This system carries messages to and from the rest of the body. Every thought, emotion, memory, and movement begins with the nervous system. When you touch something hot, nerves send a message to your spinal cord, which instantly orders your muscles to pull back, often before your brain even realizes what happened. The brain also controls involuntary functions like breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. It is the most complex organ known in the universe. Part 3. The heart and circulatory system. Now, imagine a pump working non-stop from the day you are born until the day you die. That pump is your heart. The heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pushing blood through a network of arteries, veins, and capillaries that stretch more than 60,000 miles. The circulatory system does several key jobs: delivers oxygen, carries nutrients, removes waste, fights infections, regulates temperature. Blood contains red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight germs. Platelets help with clotting. Plasma, the liquid that transports everything. Your blood is constantly moving, nourishing every cell in your body. Part 4. The lungs and respiratory system. Take a breath, in and out. Your lungs are inhaling oxygen, the fuel of life, and exhaling carbon dioxide, a waste product. Inside the lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These structures allow oxygen to enter the bloodstream and carbon dioxide to leave it. The respiratory system includes nose and nasal passages, windpipe, trachea, bronchi, lungs, diaphragm. Every minute, you breathe around 12 to 20 times, exchanging vital gases that sustain life. Part 5. The digestive system. Now, let's travel down into the digestive system, the body's energy converter. The journey of food begins in the mouth, where chewing breaks it down. Saliva contains enzymes that begin digestion. From there, food travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where powerful acids and enzymes continue the breakdown. Next comes the small intestine, the body's main absorption center. Nutrients pass through its walls and into the bloodstream. What remains moves into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is formed. The digestive system also includes the liver, processes nutrients and detoxifies. Pancreas produces digestive enzymes and insulin. Gallbladder stores bile. Together, these organs turn food into fuel. Part 6. The skeletal system. Hidden beneath your skin is a strong, protective framework, the skeletal system. The human skeleton contains 206 bones. Bones do more than support your body. They protect organs, store minerals like calcium, produce blood cells. They allow movement when connected with muscles. Bones are alive, constantly breaking down and rebuilding. That's why they heal after fractures. Between many bones are joints, which allow bending, twisting, and rotation. Part 7. The muscular system. Wrapped around your skeleton is the muscular system. This system contains over 600 muscles, each made of tiny fibers that contract and relax. Muscles come in 3 types. 1. Skeletal muscles, voluntary, allow movement. 2. Smooth muscles, involuntary, found in organs. 3. Cardiac muscle, found only in the heart. Every step you take, every blink, every smile, all powered by muscles. Part 8. The immune system. The human body has a powerful defense force, the immune system. It protects us from bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Key players include white blood cells, lymph nodes, bone marrow, spleen, thymus. When germs enter the body, the immune system identifies and destroys them. It also remembers past infections, making it stronger over time. Vaccines help train the immune system to recognize enemies ahead of time. Part 9. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is the body's chemical messenger network. It uses hormones, chemical signals to control a growth, metabolism, a mood, sleep, reproduction, stress response. Major glands include the thyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, pituitary gland. Hormones help keep your body in balance. Part 10. The integumentary system. Skin, hair, nails. Your skin is your largest organ. It protects against infections, regulates temperature, and helps you sense the world through touch. Hair protects and insulates. Nails support delicate finger movements and offer protection. The skin also heals itself, one of the body's most remarkable abilities. Part 11. The reproductive system. The reproductive system allows humans to create life. In males, it includes the testes, which produce sperm and hormones. In females, it includes the ovaries, uterus, and other organs that support pregnancy and childbirth. This system ensures the continuation of humanity, a biological legacy passed from generation to generation. Part 12. Homeostasis. The body's balance. One of the body's most important functions is homeostasis, keeping everything in balance. Your body maintains blood pressure, temperature, hydration, sugar levels, pH levels. Even small changes can disrupt health. Homeostasis is the invisible guardian that keeps your internal environment stable. Part 13. The body's amazing abilities. The human body is full of incredible abilities. It can repair broken bones. It can build muscle after exercise. The liver can regenerate itself. The brain can form new connections throughout life. Do your senses detect light, sound, taste, smell, and touch in extraordinary ways? Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, a miracle of biology. Part 14. The future of human health. Science continues to uncover the secrets of the body. Modern medicine can replace organs, map DNA, and study the brain in real time. Artificial intelligence and biotechnology promise new ways to treat disease and improve life. The more we learn about the human body, the more we realize how complex and extraordinary it truly is. Closing. From the smallest cell to the largest organ, every part of the human body works together in harmony, creating the miracle of life. Your body is your home, your vehicle, your protector, and your story. Take care of it, appreciate it, and continue learning about the incredible systems that keep you alive. Thank you for exploring the human body with me today.
Hi everyone, I am your white fairy friend. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next adventure.